Hello everyone, I'm Mike Liu. I'm the export manager of Dongguan Kaixiang. Welcome back. This is our second live broadcast. Today we are going to talk about the quality management system of our factory. Okay, let's go. I will show you how we do quality control in our factory. First, you can have a look of our factory. This is our CNC processing center, most for process stamping parts. Okay, the first, actually, our quality control system have three parts. The first part is incoming material quality control. Second part is in-process quality control, and the last is delivery quality control. Now I will show you the first part, incoming material quality control. Okay, you can see this is a raw material for our stamping parts. This is aluminum plates. And first, for the incoming raw material, we will check the label. Check the label, the supplier name, and also the dimensional size, the batch number, the net weight, and the quantity, how many pieces, and also the delivery date. After checking the label, we will check in the quality, surface quality of this plate. You can see we will make sure there is no scrap or press on the surface. Although there is already one film protector to protect the surface, but we for every piece, you can see every piece we will remove the film to check the surface to make sure no problem. And also we will check the dimensional size. Use this tool. It's caliber. Check. We will check the weight. Check the weight to make sure it's the same with the requirement of our customer, and also the length. Of course, for the raw material inspection, we will have a report. Yeah, you can see for the raw material, we will have the inspection date, supplier name, spec, weight, quantity, and surface treatment, and also the standard, our inspection standard. And also the inspection items we are doing is a visual inspection, no press, no scrap, no corrosion. The result is okay. And also what kind of measurement tools we are using is caliber. I already showed before. We take 8 times of testing. All the results are here. The final judgment is okay, and also is qualified. And after all this testing, the inspector must sign his name and checked by the director of the QC. And only we get this report to our QC department. We can only move to next stage for mass production. When we do the mass production, we also have in-process quality control. You can see this is one of our threading machine. This machine is used to do the threading for the cover. And when we begin the production, we will do the first step is first product inspection report. Yeah, you can see for the first product, we will check the visual dimensional size, and there is any scrap on the surface, and also touch. I will show you how we check the thread. Sometimes the threading is very small, but we use this tool to see it more clearly. And now we will check the threading, yeah, to make sure, yeah, it's qualified. And also, you can see, yeah, you can see the go fixed gauge already goes through. So to prove this thread is qualified, okay, I will put it back to the machine in case there is any mistake. Okay. After the inspection of the first product, we will have a report. It's first product inspection report. It's like the raw material. We will take down all the information of our testing, and the machine number, which machine number 5, number 6, and the which shift, day shift, night shift, and also the operator name, the processing procedure is stamping, and also the standard tools and all the details, and also signed by the inspector. Why we are doing the first product inspection? Because usually for our customer, the quantity is very big, like 100, 200,000 pieces. If we failed on the first product, it means disaster for the whole order. That's why we pay much attention to the quality of the first product. Only we get this qualified first product report, we can go mass production. Okay. Okay. After the in-processed quality control, and usually we will do every 20 minutes. Actually, like 50 minutes, 80 minutes. Our inspector will go around to check each machine, threading machine, press machine, and each working station to check the quality, like I showed in this threading machine. It's almost the same. And now we will move to the delivery. It's not the delivery, but it's already finished production. We will do another inspection. It's surface inspection and visual inspection. You can see our operator is using the grinding machine to remove the birds or deco edges on each product to make sure the each side of the product is smooth and no problem, and also the surface is smooth. And for CNC product, it's a general requirement by our customer. So after remove the birds and deco edges, we will do the packing. You can see this is our packing, and this paper is not common paper. This is moisture proof, and if you put water on the paper, it will not go through. So each small package is 5 pieces, and we put small package together, then in one box. If our customer has special requirement, we can do as our customer requirement. If no, we will do the general packaging. And you can see this is all finished packaging, ready for delivery. And this is our cartoon for packaging. And okay, after the packing, next step is to deliver to the customer, deliver to the port, deliver to the seaport, to the train station, and ready to ship America, North America, and also different markets. Okay, yeah, this is basically our quality control in our factory, and every day we are doing in our factory. Yeah. Do you have any questions or any comments? You can leave your message below the video in the comment area, and also you can contact us through this WhatsApp. sorry. Okay. Through this WhatsApp, and also see you next Friday. We will do the live broadcasting every Friday. See you guys. Bye bye.